Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment, Python 3, 8 or newer, and a working Jupyter kernel. Once done, install the Graph Notebook package and the specific connector for your graph engine. Make sure you have the database endpoint, authentication token, and network access. Test with a quick curl or ping to validate reachability. Now open Jupyter, create a new notebook, and select the kernel. This sets you up to add the Graph Notebook extension and begin interactive queries. You now configure the connection inside the notebook, load the Graph Notebook extension, and create a connection profile with endpoint, port, protocol, and credentials. Once the profile is saved, switch to a graph cell type and initialize the session. Execute a simple schema or sample query, Gremlin, Cypher, or Sparkle depending on your engine, to confirm nodes and edges return as expected. As you do this, inspect the return metadata and refine your configuration. If queries are, you finish by visualizing and exporting results. Run focused queries, then use the notebook's visualization cell to render subgraphs and tweak layout, labels, and filters for clarity. Once satisfied, export datasets as CSV or JSON and save visual snapshots for documentation. If something fails, first recheck credentials and the endpoint, then examine the browser console for CORS or network errors. If problems persist, restart the kernel and retry the connection. This often clears stale sessions and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.